Very good morning, friends. Thank you so much for joining today. I look forward to this Tuesday. Tuesday is so special because we get to spend time and learn the wisdom from a great master, Brahmashi Patriji. Let me introduce about Brahmashi Patriji. Brahmashi Patriji is a founder of Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, whose core messages or whose core mission is to spread meditation, Anapansati meditation to one and all, and spread vegetarianism, spread right wisdom about masters, wisdom from all the masters, learning from all the spiritual teachers of all the world, East and West, and Sangati, to be in the company of right people, to share your experiences and teach meditation to everybody. Avikshit Saras.
Yes, Baba.
Yeah, please.
Pranam, sir.
Namaskar.
I'm Avikshit Saras from Delhi, sir. I wanted to share my experience with you, sir, for a very long time.
Yes, please. I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, sir. So this was, sir, Corona had actually contracted me. And during that period, I was doing meditation, listening to your flute. And I kind of connected with the virus, sir. And I told the virus that, you have contracted a meditator's body. And in the world, we are the persons who can actually take you to the next level, take you to the higher planes. You keep moving from 1 million to 2 million to 3 million people, but you don't go to the higher plane. And we have the power to actually take you. So you can become from Dhyani to Yogi to Rishi to the fourth day, Raj Rishi, and fifth day, actually the Brahm Rishi. So it was, sir, a very profound experience, and we got cured. Eventually, the Corona contacted me again, that they were having some problems, not understanding few things, and I connected them with you at the soul level, sir. From then, I have not heard anything. It's been a great journey, sir. I've joined JTTP also after that. Life is completely changed, sir. Every day, starting this last JTTP, getting up 4 o'clock in the morning, bathing, doing meditation, reading books. Sir, last month you had suggested two very profound books, Mind to Matter by Dawson Church, and the one that you got enlightenment, you mentioned, Forever Young by Lobsang Rampa. So I'm reading Forever Young, and trying to do astral travel, sir. Following completely your path and your guidance. Thank you so much, sir.
Swamiji, I've been waiting for you for so many years. When will this master talk to me? You come to me, but you don't talk to me.
Yes, sir.
So I was waiting for you for yugas. And you have given enlightenment to Corona. Very good. What a great news. What a great work.
Thank you, sir.
Talking to coronavirus and enlightening, showing the path to the coronavirus. My goodness. Carry on the great work, Swamiji.
Thank you, sir.
We are all born to do great work. Enlightening everybody, every bacteria, every virus. To help everybody in terms of meditation, in terms of enlightenment, in terms of explaining the drama. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Once another experience just came to my mind.
Yes.
We used to get up early in the morning, open up the windows, and also mosquitoes used to bite. So initially, as you know, for decades, the practice was just to kill them. Then I heard that you should not kill them; you should ask them to go away. So I consciously, sir, started doing that. And within 24 hours, sir, the mosquitoes kind of became my friends. They used to come on me, And I just simply used to say that, I'm a meditator. I'm doing meditation right now. I'm listening to the masters. Why don't you also come and listen to me? Okay, if you bite me, there will be some amount of meditation that will go into you also. I'm a total vegetarian. Next time you will not be able to do. And since then, sir, they just come and just go away, and it's been very blissful. Thank you, sir.
Enlightening the mosquitoes.
Thank you, sir.
My goodness. I will tell you a story about Vivekananda.
Yes, sir.
He went to Ramakrishna Paramahansa once. He was not there. So he went along with his friend, Vivekananda. He told the friend, I am waiting for my guru. You just wait outside. I'll come after 1 hour. He went into the ashram, sat near a tree, and went into meditation. And the friend was waiting for the Vivekananda to come out. 3 hours were over. It was getting dark. So the friend went inside the ashram to see what Vivekananda was doing. He was sitting under the tree, and there was a blanket, a black blanket on his body. He went near the body and saw, it's not black blanket, it's all mosquitoes. Total body was covered with mosquitoes. And Vivekananda was in meditation. This is the story about Vivekananda. You are another Vivekananda, Swamiji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Today we are all getting Arjunas and Vivekanandas in our enlightenment hour. My goodness.